Skyrocket your website traffic without spending a dime. Find out the secret organic strategy everyone is missing out on. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stick around till the end for not just strategies on increasing organic website traffic, but also for exclusive insights that will give your website an unexpected edge in the digital world. Organic traffic is vital for any website. It's about attracting visitors naturally, not through paid promotions. These visitors come to your site because they are genuinely interested in what you offer. The majority of organic traffic usually comes from Google. Your goal should be to make your website as Google-friendly as possible. This involves optimizing your site in a way that it ranks higher in Google's search results. The key to achieving high rankings in search results is through effective search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO includes a variety of techniques and best practices designed to improve your website's visibility in organic search results. Start by identifying who your target audience is. Understanding their needs, preferences, and online behavior is crucial. This helps in creating targeted marketing strategies and content that appeals directly to them. Conducting keyword research is a fundamental aspect of SEO. Keywords are the terms and phrases that users type into search engines. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords that are relevant and valuable to your target audience. Creating valuable content around these keywords is crucial. Remember the adage, content is king. Quality content attracts visitors and encourages them to stay longer on your website, which in turn boosts organic traffic. Your content should not only be engaging, but also informative and helpful. It should aim to solve a problem, answer a question, or provide insightful information. This positions your website as an authoritative source in your field. Optimizing your website for mobile users is essential. With the majority of online searches now being conducted on mobile devices, Google gives preference to websites that are mobile-friendly in its search results. The speed of your website is another important factor. Slow-loading websites can lead to high bounce rates, and Google may penalize such websites with lower search rankings. It's important to have a well-structured website that is easy for users to navigate. A user-friendly website keeps visitors engaged longer, reducing bounce rates and improving your site's SEO. Internal linking within your website helps guide visitors to more content, increasing the time they spend on your site. This not only improves user experience, but also helps boost your SEO efforts. Backlinks are crucial for SEO. They are links from other websites to yours. Google views backlinks as endorsements, which can significantly improve your website's ranking. Guest posting on other websites in your industry can help you earn valuable backlinks. This involves writing quality content for other sites and including links back to your own website. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your website. Having an active presence on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can help drive a significant amount of traffic to your site. Using infographics can significantly drive traffic to your website. They are visually appealing, easy to digest, and highly shareable, making them effective for attracting visitors. Avoid posting duplicate content on your website. Google can penalize your site for non-original content, which can negatively impact your search rankings. Regularly updating your website with fresh content is important. New and updated content attracts both new and returning visitors, which is beneficial for increasing organic traffic. Utilizing tools like Google Analytics is vital. These tools help you track your website's performance, enabling you to make data-driven decisions to improve your organic traffic. Patience is crucial in SEO. It takes time to see the results of your SEO efforts, but the long-term benefits of increased organic traffic are well worth the wait. Finding our content refreshing? Keep the breeze flowing. Hit subscribe, fan us with a like, and ring the bell for a continual gust of fresh ideas. Ready for more refreshing insights? Let's get back to it. Increasing your website's organic traffic is completely achievable. It requires a well-thought-out strategy and consistent effort over time. The focus should always be on the user. Create an excellent user experience on your website, and the traffic will naturally follow. While optimizing your website for search engines is important, it should never come at the cost of the quality of your content. Promote your content through every channel available to you, such as social media, email campaigns, and blog posts. Engaging with your audience is key. Respond to comments and messages to build trust and loyalty, encouraging repeat visits to your website. Use paid promotions sparingly and strategically. They should complement your efforts to grow organic traffic, not replace them. Participating in online forums and discussions related to your niche can drive traffic to your website. Offer valuable insights and subtly promote your site. Creating a newsletter can be effective in keeping your audience informed about new content and encouraging them to revisit your website. Ensuring your website is secure is important. Users are more likely to visit and engage with secure websites, and Google gives preference to secure sites in its search results. Writing catchy and compelling headlines can significantly impact whether users click on your content. It's often the first thing they see, so make it count. Include a call to action in your content to encourage user engagement, such as sharing your content, leaving a comment, or subscribing to your newsletter. Video content can be highly effective in engaging users. Videos tend to keep visitors on your site longer, which can improve your website's SEO. Collaborating with influencers can be beneficial. Influencers can promote your website to their followers, helping to increase your traffic. Investing in an attractive and intuitive website design is crucial. A visually appealing site can attract and retain more visitors. Optimizing your images for search engines can increase your site's visibility. Use descriptive file names and alt tags to improve the chances of your images appearing in search results. Submitting your website to online directories can provide an additional source of traffic. It's an often overlooked strategy that can be quite effective. Running contests and giveaways can create excitement around your website. They often attract a large number of visitors, increasing traffic and engagement. Regularly posting quality blog articles on your website can significantly increase traffic. Blogs are an effective way to attract new visitors and encourage them to explore more of your site. Continuously educating yourself about SEO and digital marketing trends is important. The digital marketing landscape changes rapidly, and keeping up with new strategies and techniques is essential for success. In conclusion, growing your website traffic organically involves a combination of SEO, content creation, social media engagement, and continuous learning. With dedication and the right approach, you can increase your organic traffic and build a strong online presence. Begin your digital conquest today! Start with our comprehensive free ebook, unveiling the most potent online business strategies of this era. But the true test of your entrepreneurial spirit goes beyond reading. Enter the realm of action with our exclusive 15-day challenge, designed to put these strategies into practice under the guidance of seasoned e-commerce maestros. This is your opportunity to blend theoretical knowledge with practical skills, armed with a toolkit that will catapult you to digital success. Ready to leave a mark in the digital world? Take the plunge with vigor. Click the link in the description and embark on a journey to redefine your digital destiny. Turning off the lights in today's e-earning studio. Directed the method? Blockbuster hits or reshoots needed? Share your director's cut in the comments. Did today's financial script bring your story to life? Click like to applaud the scene. Eager for more behind-the-scenes earning strategies? Subscribe and tap the bell, ensuring you're always in the director's chair for our next production. Before you exit the set, catch that video in the spotlight. It's a sneak peek into another epic method of online income. Take action and let's keep crafting your blockbuster success. Until the next scene.